So here's the latest combination project. It took a Chief Robot Man, also sold as Radical Robot originally, and a rotomatic robot, which back when the repros first started coming out they were called Spacewalk Man, and now they're called all sorts of things including Mr. D-Cell and names like that. Combine the two to make a rotating and walking robot. The gun lights will flash and click when they go off, plus there's a light in the middle that I have stay on. The dome light will stay on, and there's two ear scanners that'll rotate. The batteries go back here under this magnetic latch right here. A 3D printed support piece that fills the inside lower part of this body, and two side panels. And there's a 3D printed part that actually goes up through the head to hold the dome cap on, and then the on-off switch. Well, it's not a very big counter here, but let's see what happens. So, you get the basic idea. And there you have it. It's the Rad-Roto Robot.